Welcome to our new listing here at Crystal Court, Crystal Heights, St. James. Now this unit is unit 804, which is a ground floor, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom apartment. As you could see, situated in a gated community with clubhouse, pool and tennis court. Now this unit is available for either sale or rental. So the sale price is $450,000 Barbados, and for rent asking $2,000 per month plus utilities. And as you can see, it's quite bright throughout. You have security grills at the rear, a decent sized patio at the front, and here you have the full bathroom with shower, which you could also access from the master bedroom. Here you have the half bathroom. So a very smooth flow. So here's the master with air conditioning, and you have your fitted closet. And then you have bedroom 2, which is fully grilled, air conditioning again, and your closet space. So just to recap, just over 1,000 square feet, 2-bedroom, 1 full bath, half bath, and we're on the market for sale at $450,000 or for rental at $2,000 per month plus utilities. If you're interested, give the office a call at 426-9469. And just to show you at the back, you also have another patio area which is enclosed with security grills. So you could also use that as storage if need be. And let's go back to the front. So Crystal Court, Crystal Heights, St. James, a ground floor unit in a breezy position in this quiet gated community, just a stone's throw away from Warren. Here you have the pool area by the clubhouse and tennis court. And in the clubhouse you have both his and her bathrooms, kitchenette, and the property manager's office.